Now today we will discuss about what is the difference between the local and global variable in Python. Local variable, normally when we are defining any variable inside the function, declaring any variable inside the function comes under the local variable category, and we can't access that function. If we will try to access that variable outside the function definition, that means function in function calling or outside the function definition, then it will show us the error. You can see the name x is not defined. Why it is giving us error? Because it is defined under the function definition. And it means those variables which we are declaring inside the function definition comes under local variable category. And what are the global variable? If I am defining any function, any variable outside the function, either I can declare that variable before the function definition or after the function definition, then these variables are in the global variable category. Variable here, this is the global variable. If I'll try to call the function variable, then it will not give me any error for that. Why it is showing us me error? Because I have declared this variable inside outside. I'm trying to access this variable. Error because it is defined inside the function definition. Now another thing, suppose if I'll try to use the same variable. Suppose if this is the main, that you can access it. You can access that variable inside the function definition also. Here I can use the things. Now another use is we can use the global variable inside any function as many as times. There is no restriction, but we can't access the variable which is defined inside the function. We can't access that variable outside the function definition. Suppose if I want to access this variable outside the function definition, for that what I have to do? I have to use the variable, I have to use the keyword global and followed by the name of that variable जो आपका function के अंदर declared है, और I just want to use that variable outside the function definition. Now if I'll try to access this variable x, then it will not show me any error. Now you can see I'll delete the other two things. I'm just deleting a variable. I'm not printing the value of a, not printing the value of b. I have just defined it, nothing else. Here I'm just defining the value 4. Now you can access it by using the keyword, global. I can use the variable, I can access that variable which is defined inside the function outside the function definition. Now these two concepts are clear to you. Now after that, now let's take another example of output function, use of the global and local variable, how we can use it, those concepts. Here we are just discussing the concept of local and global variable. Here I've used the variable name x, which is defined outside the function. I've specified some value. After that, I have made this variable x as a global. When I'll print the value of x, obviously it will show me the value of this x which I defined outside the function. Here I have changed the value of x. Now, because I have made this variable global, then after that if I change the value, then obviously it will show me that value which is changed. Shows that x now has been the new value of the variable x. Let's execute it. Now you can see, first when I'll call this function, first it will execute the value of this variable x which I defined outside the function definition. After that, because I've made this variable x as a global variable, and after that if I change the value of x, then obviously it will print me that value x, and after that if I'm again displaying the value of x, then obviously it has changed the value of x. Suppose if I'm taking another example, I'm not specifying anything over here, and after that what it will show me, obviously the same value it will show me 2. And if I am not using this value variable keyword global, and what it will happen, first it will execute the function fun. I already specified the value 2 to it, obviously it will print me the value 2, and after that I have used the print x, it will show me the value 50. Why? Because x is already defined inside the function, and I have not made that variable accessible. I have not used the word global to make its value accessible outside the function. Clear to you? Suppose if I am giving another value d50 likha. Again, if I want to access this, obviously it will show me the error because x is not defined. Again, by using the global keyword, I can make it this variable as a global, then obviously it will not show me any error. It will print the value of d also. Now you can see it has shown me the value d50, and because I've changed the local variable scope to global, that is why it is displaying the result of x variable. Is it clear to you now?